1.5 Fun with alphabet. A. Look, listen and say. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.